Welcome to our Electrical Engineering YouTube channel. In this video, we will see an example on equivalent resistance. To download notes, MCQ or app, you can visit this website link electrical-engineering.app. This website or app is specially designed for electrical engineering students. Question: find equivalent resistance between terminals A and B. Now here, for this complex circuit, we have to determine the equivalent resistance between terminal A and B. Solution: first of all, we will take this circuit. Now here we can clearly see this 68, 330, 270, 270 and 100. These are connected in series. So we can solve this like this. These are connected in series. So their equivalent resistance will be simply 68 plus 330, then plus 270, then plus 270 plus 100. Now this is equal to 1038 ohm. Now here we can see this 680 and this 180 are connected in series. So these are also connected in series. So we can make it like this: 680 plus 180. 680 plus 180 is 860 ohm. Now again, let's make the circuit again. So here we will replace these resistances with a single resistance. So let's erase this. Now we can make a single resistance from here to here like this. And this value will be 1038 ohm. Now here also we can replace these two resistance with a single resistance value. So it will be 680 ohm. Not 680, it is 860 ohm. So 860 ohm. Now here we can clearly see this 860 and this 1038 are connected in parallel. So let's simplify this. It will be simply 860 ohm parallel with 1038 ohm. So it will be 860 multiplied with 1038 divided by 860 plus 1038. So now if we solve this, it will be 860 multiplied with 1038 divided by 860 plus 1038. So it is equal to 470.32 ohm. So again we can redraw this circuit. So let's copy it from here. Now we can replace these two resistances with a single resistor with value 470.32 ohm. Now these two are connected in series. So therefore here we can write RAB. This is the value for RAB. So RAB is equal to 470.32 plus 470. Now this is equal to plus 470. So it is 940.32. 940.32 ohm. So this is the value for RAB 940.32 ohm. So this is how we can solve series parallel combination of resistors. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.